growing up, I always wanted to work on stuff. I've been with Hawaiian since June 12, 2006, and it's been quite a journey since then. Well, I started Ramp Chief, I think it was 2011. I loved being a Ramp Chief, I loved it all, but I knew there was something missing that, I wanted to further my career in. I started at HCC for the aeronautics program in 2015 of August. And at the time I was working full-time still as a Ramp Chief. It was hard, but I pushed myself. Man, there was many sleepless nights. I worked still full-time at the time for a year. And, not being able to see my kids, but just having the thought of them to look up to me and say, oh, my daddy did it all. So it just pushed me. The AMAP program, which is the Aircraft Maintenance Apprenticeship program, there were talks about it. I've heard talks here and there, rumors every now and then on the ramp. And when they started it up in 2016, we were the first ever apprenticeships that got, hired onto the AMAP program. I didn't have to work full time anymore as a Ramp Chief. It really helped us. It really helped me out. Not only me, but all the rest of the apprentices that helped us out. Everything you learned in school, all the theory about airplanes, how they fly, you get to put it, everything that you pictured, it's hands-on now. You can actually see it in real life now. So that's what was more cool about it. Like everything you learned in school, you get to put it in reality to work on the planes. It was a humbling experience, but also a great experience as well. And I wouldn't change it. I wouldn't change it for the world. I mean, I love what I do now.
Martin's definitely somebody that we look for with the program. The intent of the program was to attract local technicians or local people that wanted to be technicians, utilizing the resource of Honolulu Community College, as well as giving opportunities for other work groups to be able to come into the M&E department. Seeing somebody start and have the potential to finish their career here is absolutely amazing. Going from the ramp into the AMAP program into maintenance as a technician, and then becoming a lead. And he took the opportunity to be a lead somewhere else other than Hawaii, which helps continue to grow Hawaiian.
I had to further my career to help my kids, up until now, to where I'm at now. I feel accomplished. I mean, I'm happy where I'm at. I wouldn't want to work anywhere else but Hawaii.